Hey, I'm Alan Brito from Blender 3D Architect, and welcome to this tutorial about QCAD and how to create blocks. What I have here is a drawing of a sofa, and I want to use it as an example to demonstrate how to create and set up blocks in QCAD. This was one of the questions that I got after posting a few videos, tutorials on an open source DWG editor, which in my opinion, QCAD is one of the best. And if you want to create an open source workflow for design, architecture, or engineering, at some point you have to edit or manage technical drawings, and this is a great alternative. And one of the questions that I got after posting all of those tutorials, videos, articles is, do we have the same amount of features? Can I create layers? Can I use blocks, hatches? Yes, you can do a lot of that here in QCAD, and I want to address now blocks, which is a popular feature for many CAD tools. As you can see, I have a sofa drawing, and it's all separate entities. I can select them. They are on a layer called furniture on my drawing, and I will create a block. If you are not used to CAD tools, a block is like an asset of a CAD software, and you can make copies, and each one of the instances has a connection, has a link to the block, and if you edit the block, all of the instances will receive the updates. They are connected. We can try to do the same thing here with this sofa drawing. I will select the entire drawing. I'm going to the block menu and choose here create block from selection. And the only thing that I have to do here, not the only thing, I have to do two things here. Select the insertion point and set a block name. So the insertion point will be this one here. I can click here and set the name of the block, which will be sofa. Hit OK, and now I have a block called sofa on my block list. If I select the block, I can use this button here to insert instances of this block. I can keep clicking and adding new instances of this block. If you want to break the link, you can stop the process by pressing ESC. And if you want to break the link of any of those blocks, you can go into block and explode. It will not be a block anymore. It will go back to be a simple drawing, just a couple of lines and arcs. And how can we edit this block? To edit the block, you can select any one of them. You can double click on a block, or you can go to the block, edit block menu. Now I'm editing the block, and as you can see, we can, for instance, select this armchair. I will move it to this position here. And to exit the block, we have to go to the block menu again and choose return to main drawing. And as you can notice, each one of the instances from the block received the update, minus this one here that is not connected anymore to the block. And if I insert a new instance, it will already appear with the updated content. And by the way, this is not a DWG, it's a DXF, and you can work and create blocks the same way as you do with a DWG file. Well, that's it. I hope you liked the content. This was a quick tutorial about blocks with QCAD, which again is one of the best options if you want to create an open source workflow. And if you want to learn more about QCAD, I have a workshop that explains step by step how to use QCAD to develop a project, and a book in two versions, one using the metric system and another one using the imperial system to work here to develop a project with QCAD. So I hope you liked the content. If you think this tutorial might help anyone else that's interested in open source software for design, architecture, or engineering, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of the future updates. See you next time. Bye.